What if one outlet could turn into many, helping you power everything from convention center event booths, generator usage, and even in industrial settings, all while keeping you and your workspace safe? Meet the AC Works PDU outlet box, converting your outlets into many more. This is a power distribution unit, or PDU for short. We like to call it our PDU outlet box because it transforms one high-capacity outlet into multiple household-style connections, all while adding crucial safety features. Picture this. You've got a generator outlet, but you need more standard NEMA 520 ports to power your devices. Or maybe you're setting up a vendor booth at a convention center and need multiple outlets in a single spot. Flood restoration companies also rely on these boxes for quick and reliable power. The uses are practically endless. Each set of outlets feature GFCI Protection, so if a ground fault occurs, the PDU instantly cuts power, helping you avoid electrical hazards and keeping everyone safe. Worried about weather? Don't be. This PDU is both weatherproof and weather sealed, making it rugged enough for outdoor setups. Plus, it's ETL listed, conforms to UL standards, and certified to CSA standards, so you know it meets strict safety and quality standards. We offer PDU outlet boxes with either 20 or 24 amp breakers, depending on the plug-in. And the best part? We have a range of NEMA configurations that fit your exact needs, like NEMA L14-30, NEMA 14-50, California Standard 6365, even 3-phase NEMA L21-30. And here's a bonus. We've partnered with Conduction Technologies to bring you this handy mounting bracket, so you can easily install your PDU on the wall, in your garage, office, event center, or even a restaurant's back room. Power distribution has never been more accessible. We wanted to reintroduce our PDU outlet boxes and show you how they can make powering your projects safer and more efficient. Check out our links in the description to learn more about these PDU boxes and the new mounting bracket. Stay tuned for more videos where we dive deeper into all the ways our PDUs can keep you powered up. At AC Works, we provide you with high-quality power solutions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.